Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Samantha. I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. If you are new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. It helps me a ton, but I'm also going to be putting out a ton of content for you guys. So today's video is going to be focused on an unboxing of a company that I use called BULQ to find some inventory, and why I decided to use them. I've been scoping them out for a while, but I've finally gotten through my death piles. Being on quarantine for so long, I'm like itching to get to the thrift stores, itching to go to garage sales, because that's normally where I source. I like to see the items, I like to go through the items, I like to make sure there's no stains, rips, tears, etc. But since we can't do that right now, I have decided to become creative and find new ways to find inventory. I came across them, I've been scoping them out for a while. I didn't want to buy an entire pallet just yet, so I bought 2 cases, and I figured what better way to share the experience than film it for you guys and let you decide if maybe this might be a route you want to take if you're trying to find new ways to source. The great thing about using them is the fact that I'm going to save time. So if I like the product that I'm given, if it's, how they described it, I like the experience and stuff like that, I will continue using them because A, it's going to save me time. I typically have to drive 45 minutes to 2 hours to go thrifting if I want really good thrift stores. So right there's 3 hours of drive time, not to mention how long it takes me to search, so 1 hour to 2 hours to search. Then I have to clean the items, then I have to picture, list, store. So if I cut out a little bit of the sourcing by just looking online for a few minutes, in the morning, a few minutes at night, whatever it may be, and they ship it to me, I'm saving a ton of time that I could be spending with my family. I could be listing more items or whatever, because I do work a full-time job still as well. So without further ado, I'm so excited to share this with you guys, and I'm gonna crack open a box. I didn't even take the tape off yet. Okay guys, so I bought this Thursday at 1 p.m. I received the items Friday by noon. I mean, I'm just one state over, so it was Indiana, and I live in Illinois, so that's probably part of the reason, but I am extremely pleased by the ship time because when you have a resale business, you don't want to wait 10 days, 20 days for your inventory. You need it now so that you can list now. And that's a great thing right there. So I'm very pleased with the ship time. I am also pleased with the boxing. I feel like the boxes are very well put together. They had it taped well. They have it easy for you to carry with the handles. And also, I love that they put their bulk promise on here and who it was sealed by. So that means if I have any issues, I can go back to them, email them and let them know who did it, and we can further investigate the issue. They also have accurate manifests guaranteed, so that is very pleasing to me as a business owner, just because I don't want to get something that I'm not going to be guaranteed to, have reassurance that if something's broken, if it's not how they described it, I don't want to be out all that money. So I purchased a kitchen and appliance bundle as well as a furniture and decor. I don't know which one is which, but that is the category that I used. In each box, it's just a little over 70 items, and I spent on both of the boxes, including shipping, under $400, which to some people may seem like a lot, and to me at first it did, just because when I can thrift an item for 50 cents to $1, I don't want to spend more than that. But I have to look at it as these are new items, this is a new way to source, and you're not always going to make a huge ROI, especially if you're buying items that have been shelf pulls or returns and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and bust this open together and see what's inside. Taped very well. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm like a kid in a candy shop. Like, I could do like 10 of these right now if I had the money. Okay, guys, lots of goodies, lots of goodies. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like a Bistro Cafe electric coffee grinder. Now, I'm not gonna give you what I'm gonna list them as. If you'd like me to make a video over that, I will, or a what sold video once stuff starts to sell, just because, again, this is not my forte. Like, I'm gonna have to research, I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna price them at as far as the condition. So if there's a ding, you know, if the box has been opened, that's all gonna affect what I'm gonna list it as. And I typically buy, you know, clothing and stuff that has been used, so I kind of have an idea of what to price at. So this is a new learning experience for both of us. Maybe not you, but definitely me. Another one of those electric coffee grinders. Oh, this is cool. Ceramic planter with drain tray, one set. So it feels kind of heavy, so it feels like there's something in there. It looks like just some small plastic plates. We got some washcloths. Oh, this is cool. A premium insulated water bottle. Now, I see a lot of things that is gonna probably be garage sale items, and I'm not gonna be like running garage sales all summer long, but since we've been on quarantine, I have been cleaning out my house, and I'm gonna have one big garage sale, so I figured if I'm gonna get these right now, I might as well get them just in case there's gonna be a ton of stuff that I wanna sell to garage sale. And stuff like this, my mud kitchen, this will be something that I will probably put in the garage sale. It's not big enough, it's not enough money margin for me to list online. This is just a plastic water bottle. Another one of these ones. So there was quite a few of these frozen sippy cups. Maybe I'll keep a set since I got a baby on the way. It'll be a little bit before she can use those. Some more frozen cups. Oh, this is a pretty one. This is another water bottle. Some more kitchen rags. Again, either I'll lot these up in a larger lot, or I will just end up selling these at a garage sale. Cool. There is a Tefal professional fry pan. More of these little bowl type things, and this like pan, plastic pan. This is a tumble. The struggle is real. Everybody loves tumblers right now, so that'll be good. Another bowl, just a plastic one. Looks like some more washcloths. Another one of these dishes. Another one of these little pans. Ooh, another water bottle. These are really pretty water bottles too, so I may end up keeping one. We'll see. And this is just like a little canteen. Let's see. Stanley 18-ounce food. So some kind of like food warmer. Don't know the exact name. Don't hold me on that. Another tumbler, and I'm okay with getting duplicates because if I list this on eBay, it's going to be easy for me to make one listing and then have quantities of more than just one, so that one will sell and then it'll just be another one up and then another one up until they all sell out. So that's okay with me. All right, more frozen. This looks like a runner. Kind of a pretty runner too. It's got a bronze gold. Another plastic water cup. I'm gonna have to make some more room here. Okay, I'm back, guys. I moved just a few of these together and kind of made a little more room so that I could get more onto this table to show you. So some more frozen cups, little sippy cups. More water containers. Another one. This one's pretty. It's kind of like palm tree leaves or something. Spring is here. Little tray. More water cups. Another water cup. Another one of these wine tumblers. What is this bad boy? It's called a Funtainer thermos. So it must be just like a little kid thermo for food or soup or something. Pretty nifty. And then just lots of towels. Towels this time. Pots, pot holders. Couldn't think of the name. More of them. Lots more. So, I mean, honestly, that's kind of good, especially for garage sales. And then this cool runner. Yeah, this is a really pretty runner. Table length runner. So that's it for that first box. And I could say that I am actually really pleased. For the price that I paid, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be making my money back and then some. So if you want me to post what sells, I would love to. So let me get all this put away and pull out the next box. The next one is much heavier, so I'm not really sure what's in that one. We'll see together. All right, guys, got my scissors. It's time for the next box. It wants to be difficult. So it's funny because my daughter, she's like, Mommy, I can see through the side. I'm like, don't tell me what's inside. Because I was wanting to open it so bad, but I wanted to open it on video for you guys so you could see. Okay. This one smells good, so this must be the not the furniture, but this must be the decor one. Okay, there is a ton in here. So it looks like pine tree decor right there. More. A picture frame. Another picture frame. Bloom. Looks like a Eclipse blackout curtain shade. More picture frames. And more picture frames. And what's great about these is they're not all the same, so that'll be good. Some will be listed, you know, in multiples, and some won't. Different sizes again. Looks like we have some LED pure white lights. Egg hunt, so this will be waiting to list probably until next year. There's a few more of those, but those are just really tiny. That's not a huge deal. What is this? Oh, cool, a rug. Rugs do really well, especially locally. A little spoon holder, and it says spoon in it, a wooden one. And then in here is a ton, this is what smelled good, a ton of candles. So cool looking candles. And locally, candles will do great, especially at a garage sale. Although it's not what I want to do, I don't mind doing it. I don't mind the hustle. I don't mind having a garage sale, especially in my area, because I live in a small community. It's actually a lot of fun. I love going garage selling myself, so. Another picture frame here. Another one of those little signs. Again, tons and tons of candles. So I'm gonna start lining these up because there's so many in here. Lot those right up and sell them. I don't mind doing that. They all smell really good too. Like if I didn't think they smelled good, I would not want to sell it. A cool marble like candle. More candles, more candles, more candles. I'm gonna be candle happy. This looks like a Febreze, one of those fresh scent 2-packs. 2 more of these bloom signs. So I may end up donating one to where I work at. I am a nurse, so I may put one on my desk, or I may donate it, you know, to the building so that they can hang it up, put it somewhere. And lots more candles. I guess I'll get them out. There's just so many of them. Candle, candle. And let's see, another picture frame. This is just a little pumpkin, so that's okay because fall's coming up, you know, in a few months, quite a few months, but that's okay because I'll set it aside and list it all later at once. So this is a bummer. This one is broken, but I mean, out of both boxes, this is the first one that I have seen that's actually broken. I won't list that one. More candles. Cute little spring lights, little butterflies, I guess. Some kind of steamless wine charms. So they go on the side of your wine container or whatever. Some more lights. I mean, not lights, candles. Please don't try to turn on the lights. These need to be lit. More candles, larger candles, pumpkin bloom, harvest something. So that'll be great for the fall. I'm running out of table room again. So, what is this? Seeds, growing medium, and instructions. So this is for basil. I may end up keeping these because I'm a freak about my garden and I love gardening. So these would be cute as little basil garden growing kits. So we'll see if I sell it or what. And yeah, there's about 10 more of these candles in here. And then one just like this. So I can say that I'm really impressed by what I ordered. I mean, what I paid for it and what I got. I think I am gonna go ahead and get a pallet or 2 from them, and I'm excited to share my results. So again, guys, don't forget to like this video. It helps me a ton. I can't say it enough. I know a lot of people do say that, but I'm really trying to help you guys learn how to make some money too. I enjoy doing it. I enjoy doing it because it frees up my time to be at home with my loved ones, and family is what means most to me. If I didn't have money, at least I have my family, so all that time matters to me. And if I can save time by, you know, buying online, and save time by listing at home instead of being at work, I prefer doing that. So drop a comment below if you have any suggestions for another video, if you want to say hi, anything like that. Also check me out on all my social media, Thrifty on a Dime. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. As you see, I'm here. Just all kinds of social media to connect with you guys and share some helpful tips for you to make money yourself. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. Have a wonderful day.